Getting started on your pathway to good character is as easy as downloading the DojoMojo app and enabling the push notifications. Once you are in the app, you will need to log in with your DojoMojo username or register for an account to experience the full benefits and features of this app. The DojoMojo app is uniquely designed to provide a character building service that includes character tips, video lessons, and other fun and engaging features for your child. These features are provided by periodically sending helpful push notifications to your phone. With each push notification you read and participate in, your child will receive points towards achieving his or her next character belt. You are able to view these points on the My Path page within the app. Here your child's current points and belt status are displayed. You can also see how close your child is to achieving the next belt status. Just remember, the more you and your child take time to read and interact with the push notifications, the more points you will gain. On the My Path page, you will also notice an interactive progress map. This map shows how many points are needed to achieve each belt status. Once you have successfully reached the black belt status, your child will receive a complimentary prize and an official certificate of completion from the DojoMojo team. If you accidentally delete a push notification before getting a chance to view it, no problem. You can access all the push notifications from the settings page. Here you will find the notifications page by clicking the 3 gray dots in the top right corner and by selecting Notifications. The blue highlighted notifications are the pushes that have already been viewed. Another great feature is the I Spy tool. Occasionally, you will receive a push notification with instructions to scan a specific item to view the hidden character message. These scannable items are usually common household items, much like an Elmer's glue bottle or a Crayola box. Just remember, if you don't have the item at home, you can always scan a picture of the item off the internet. We hope you enjoy this unique character building service, and we look forward to seeing you with your black belt in good character.